In this video I am talking about this SIRUI 35mm T2.9 1.6 squeeze anamorphic lens carbon fiber version here. I haven't seen this lens at all ever. I have actually never shot with an anamorphic lens before, so this is the only time I have seen it. It's on this picture on this box. So in this video I'm going to open it, give you my first reaction of what I think about this, then take it out and do some sample footage with it on a new Lumix S5IIx, and do full review of this lens in a very near future, in the next few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. Let's open the box and let's have a look inside. Well packed. Most lenses from most brands just come unsealed, so nice to see plastic. Don't know why. You just know nobody was playing with it before you got it. Let's have a look inside. How do you open this box? That's a good question. How you open this box? Okay, it's got a sleeve. This is beautiful. Very nice. All white and nice and firm, proper box. It's one of those magnetic, really nice boxes. Warranty card. I'll never understand instructions in the lenses, but they do have some stuff. You can just scan the QR code to read more about it if you want to. You got a pouch, kind of standard with all the lenses these days, especially in this price range. Is premium. This is nice. Also, there's quite a nice touch. Really nice stickers. White and black stickers to stick on whatever you want. If you got a Pelly case maybe, or some kind of case, you could stick stickers like these to look more rock and roll, like a guitar case you stick stickers on. These are quite cool if you like stickers. And the lens. I knew it's small because the box is small, but I didn't think it's gonna be this small. Okay, one extra packaging item. Okay, it's plastic and it's adding to the global plastic problem, but it's another seal to tell you that nobody tampered with your lens before you got it. It's properly sealed, so no moisture gets in it in transport. Okay, wow. I am impressed. I'm instantly impressed how tiny it is. Very nice. Nice anamorphic 3x2 front and the carbon fiber top. Really nice lens. It screams quality. It comes in 2 versions. It comes in a blue standard classic anamorphic lens flares, and also not neutral, which is this one. So the anamorphic lens flares are of the color of the light you are actually pointing this lens at. So let's not waste any more time. Let's take it out and shoot some sample footage on S5IIx. After using this lens for a whole day, I am very impressed. The quality it delivers is pretty good, very good, very impressive. There's a couple of niggles after first day of using it. There's a couple of niggles I've got with it. The first one is the minimum focusing distance. Apparently standard with all the anamorphic lenses. It's not close by any means. It's nothing like a standard 35mm photography or even cinema lens. It is quite far away from the camera. It's 0.9 meters in this case, about 3 feet, which makes focusing, manual focusing, a little bit more challenging. Not impossible, definitely doable, especially using an external monitor like I do have an OC-T5 Plus here to use focus peaking, even on the monitor and the camera, to use the focus peaking to make it much easier. But the aperture of T2.9 is not creating super shallow depth of field and less of that subject to background separation, making that focusing a little bit hard. I have been using, that's what you meant to apparently use with anamorphic lenses, standard diopter it's called, just basically a magnifying glass which screws on into the lens and makes your minimum focusing a bit closer and making it a bit easier to get that shallow depth of field. Yeah, simple solution. The second issue I've got with it is the manual focusing throw. It's not very long for cinema lens. Usually cinema lenses got a very long focusing distance, the focus ring turn, because you can do micro adjustments and slower focus pull. This is kind of, I would say this is on par with photographic lenses, not very far. It's okay. I personally like it because you don't have to turn a lot, especially if you're using a follow focus or a gimbal like this. But these are my two little niggles I have with this lens. And this is it from me on this occasion. The full review of this lens coming very, very soon on my channel. So if you are interested in this, please subscribe, hit that notification bell button so you do have notifications of my future videos so you don't miss it. Please consider follow me on Instagram as well. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.